Hello, welcome to Simple Answers. In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix all my apps disappeared from home screen on iPhone. The first thing you will need to do once you have opened your device, you are going to scroll all the way to the right and you want to end up on the last page where you see App Library. From there, you are going to tap on the search icon right here. And from here you'll see a list of all the apps that are downloaded or added to your device. And you can simply press on the app that isn't on your home screen. Then you could drag it and drop it on your home screen. And that's it. You can do that with any of the apps and add them to your home screen. Hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe, and thank you for watching.